if you started doing nails today, you can create this design. I'm doing this video specifically for beginners, but if you want to follow along, go ahead. If you just started doing nails an hour ago, you'll be able to do this. Let me show you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this glitter ombre design, and I call this my tap tap brush because I'll show you. So I'm going to use Supernova. I'm just going to polish this little massively long nail example. I don't know why I bought these ones. They're so freaking long. I did not intend on expecting a very long nail, but this is what we have right now. I'll order more later. Just do a thin layer of your first coat and then cure this for 60 seconds. Now these are ultra easy designs, so if you're looking for some fun, intricate nail art today, this is not the place. This is not the YouTube video for you. After you've cured that first layer for 60 seconds, go in with a second coat. Don't dry this coat. This is where the magic happens. This is where the tap tap magic happens. I don't really know where I learned this. I'm sure I learned it somewhere on YouTube. The same way that you're learning. You take your glitter. This is like a mixture that I made with, I have no idea what, but you're just going to push your dry brush into the dry glitter. You can do the tip or you can do the cuticle. Right now I feel like the easiest way to show you is by doing the cuticle. So when you have your brush totally loaded with glitter and you're just going to tap, tap, okay? You can tap as many times as you want, twice, 5 times, it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna show you what happens. Tilt the nail down, just down just a little bit. And with that wet gel, you're just going to tap the glitter right on top of that wet gel. This isn't cured at all. And then you want to tap the excess off of your client's nail. And then you have a really pretty glittery ombre to solid nail design. If you want to kind of touch it up, just kind of tilt to the side a little bit, and then the other side, just to kind of fill in those little gaps. Tap it, and then you cure this for 60 seconds. Look how it glows, that's fun. After that's cured for a solid 60 seconds, just want to take your brush and then dust it off. Try not to go too far down because your bristles still have glitter on it. You're just trying to get the excess glitter off. Okay, so this is a huge tip. Well, for me, I don't know for you, but this is huge for me. I always get glitter in my top coat. So I have 1 for glitter and 1 for solid. These two are brand new. So I just take a random glitter nail lacquer and I just polish the top of it. That way I know that this one is the one with glitter. And you take that designated glitter top coat. That's not glitter top coat, it's just regular top coat. It's just got glitter floaties in it. And you put a generous amount of top coat on it. This is just a really easy go-to design if you're in a hurry, or I mean, like in my case, clients specifically ask for this because they love it. And then cure this for 60 seconds. After that's been cured for a solid 60 seconds, you're gonna notice that there is a little bit of roughy spots, just a little bit. You just take your buffer. This is my favorite buffer, and you just carefully, oh, excuse me, lamp. You just carefully go along the sides and just get anything that's standing up. You don't need to go crazy on it because it does go on quite thin, the glitter does. And then you want to apply another coat of your top coat. And then you cure this for 60 seconds. There it is. Now you have a pink to purple ombre design with glitter, and your client's happy. All right, let me show you another one. Now these are nail foils, and if you're new here or you've tried these before, you may have failed, but that's probably because you don't have the right nail foil glue. But the key is you can't get it too close to the side wall because you need something for your top coat to wrap around to. And if it doesn't have that, then you're kind of screwed and your client's gonna be chipping and they're not gonna be happy. So let me show you how to do this. I'm gonna start with a layer of Hot Couture. This one's so pretty. It's a great color. You just wanna do one thin layer and then cure it for 60 seconds. Add a second layer of the same color and cure it for 60 seconds. Make sure you do it thin enough because you want this to cure all the way. So what I like to do, rather than putting the gel foil art glue on top of the entire nail, I just like to go in and kind of create this random squiggly at the tip. Just kind of not totally encapsulating the tip, but just kind of going over, just like that. You can kind of see it in the glare there. And then maybe even just a little bit right here. You don't have to worry about it being too perfect because you can fix it later. And then you have to cure this for a solid 60 seconds. Okay, I don't know which one to do. I think I'm gonna do this one because they're so small. I like the idea of the smaller flowers, especially when doing just the tip. Just the tip. Okay, make sure you have your, I've done this so many times where I did it upside down, but luckily with this design, you can tell which one's up and which one's down. So make sure you're putting your flower design on correctly. You just place it right on top of the sticky that you just cured, and then gently, this is kind of the tricky part, I kind of rip it a little, like kind of do like a little whip and then gently remove it. But sometimes you still have to whip it. I understand these can be kind of temperamental here as I'm struggling. Okay. Got it on there. That's cute. See, that one didn't come off at all. Maybe we can fix it. Also, this foil glue is probably old, which is not good. Okay, this one. Okay, this one, gel polish, but it already has a striper brush built in, and this helps with nail art. You just outline your design. Get it a little bit thicker, I think. And then cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, let's see if I can't fix this little corner here by adding some of that foil glue. Just right there. This may or may not work, so we'll find out together. Cure for 60 seconds. Okay, that's done curing, and I'm just gonna take a little corner and just place it right there on the corner where I put my sticky. I'm gonna rip it. Yes, that looks just fine. Now I just have to clean up that little spot. I'm gonna take this again and just kind of retouch up that spot. And then cure this for 60 seconds, or 30 probably. There's not much to cure. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my top coat that doesn't have the little glitter spot on it and top coat this. I'm gonna make sure to really encapsulate this design by capping off the sides and the tips really well. Sometimes when it comes to the foil, you want to do 2 coats of top coat. All right, cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, here they are. That's all the time I have for today, but I just know that if you started doing nails today, you can create this design, both of these designs. All right, thanks for watching.